I'm really starting to dislike Payne's Grey. Every time I use it, I feel like I've just chucked filthy water over my work. It's just too dead. Payne's Grey is a shade of blue-grey. It was named after the watercolour painter William Payne in the 19th century. Now, Payne's Grey tends to divide opinion amongst watercolour painters. Some use it a lot and others completely avoid it. The main complaint about Payne's Grey is that it makes your paintings flat and dull. Well, the fact is, there is no uniform version of Payne's Grey. Different paint manufacturers make different versions of it. For example, Daniel Smith make a traditional Payne's Grey using pigments PB29 and PBK9. They make a Payne's Blue Grey with pigments PB60 and PBK6, while Winsor & Newton's Professional Series Payne's Grey is a different combination of pigments altogether. Personally, I've always been a fan of Payne's Grey, and I was quite surprised to learn that it's so disliked by watercolourists. But then I thought about it and I realised that I almost never use it by itself. It's always modified with other colours. I often use it mixed with a bit of ultramarine and alizarin crimson to create the bruised colour of a stormy sky. Other colours that work well with Payne's Grey include Prussian blue, which creates a cool slate grey that could potentially be used for the colour of sea and rocks. Viridian hue produced a surprisingly light neutral grey when you consider what a strong acidic colour it is. I would use this grey potentially for rooftops or muted skies. Hooker's green produced a dark grey green that would work well in a landscape. If you head on over to my website at solvingwatercolour.com, I've put together a reference graphic for you just showing some different combinations of Payne's Grey with other colours and how you can mix your own greys from primary colours and from complementaries and earth colours. I've also got a full step-by-step tutorial for this chilly wintry beach scene that I'm painting, which uses a grey mixed from indigo and alizarin crimson. And while you're over there, why not sign up for my free course, Learn Watercolour in 7 days, covering different aspects of watercolour painting, such as equipment and techniques, and taking you through the process of how to get started with landscape painting. I've also got a ton of free tutorials over there for you to have a look at. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like, and I will speak to you soon.